The question on the board right now, at first glance, when many students have a look at this, they won't know what to do with this and how to get this out of this. Well, I'm here to solve your doubts. So let's take the first statement given. It is root 3 tan theta equals to 3 sin theta. Okay, let's write sin theta by tan theta, which will be root 3 by 3. We can derive it from this because tan theta will come here, this 3 will go there. Alright, basic rules of transposition. Then this 3 we can write it as root 3 into root 3 because root 3 square is 3 into root 3. Cancel it out, you get 1 by root 3. And this tan theta, let's write it as sin theta by cos theta. And sin theta by sin theta by cos theta equals that. Okay, this one let's write like this: sin theta divided by sin theta by cos theta. So you can also write it as sin theta into cos theta by sin theta because it's getting reciprocated after we're changing the sign. The sign gets cancelled, so we get cos theta equals to 1 by root 3. We need cos square theta. Let's square both sides. So we get cos square theta equals 1 by 3. We'll use a trigonometric identity over here. The most basic one is sin square theta plus cos square theta equals 1. Where cos square theta, we can write it as 1 minus sin square theta. Let's do the same over here. 1 minus sin square theta is equal to 1 by 3. And then sin square theta equals 1 minus 1 by 3, which is, let's take LCM, which is 3, 2, 3 minus 1, which is 2 by 3. We got the value of sin square theta and the value of cos square theta, which is this. Now you just have to write the values and simplify it. Sin square theta is 2 by 3 and then cos square theta, which is 1 by 3. Subtract the both, our answer is 1 by 3. I hope you all understood. Thank you for watching the video. It's an easy question. Bye bye.